This is Leo Johnson with MarineMax Lake Norman. I'm taking you through a new brokerage listing that we have here available at MarineMax Lake Norman, just north of Charlotte, North Carolina. This is a 2023 Harris Grand Mariner 230. As you see here and from the pictures, this boat is a tri-tune boat powered with a 250 horsepower Mercury V8 outboard. It's paired with this aluminum I-beam easy loader tandem axle trailer that you see here. The boat's in a midnight blue color with the sparkling white accent. Unique to the Grand Mariner, you have the under tune lighting, some great accent lighting in this fiberglass nose up here. This boat does have a powder coated tower, water sports tower, manual folding on it. In addition to that, see going through the back side of the boat, again that 250. This one is equipped with the ski tow pylon setup back here and the fender holder rails. Got these chains equipped on this boat that go across and allow you to ride facing aft while you're underway. It's an exclusive feature available only on Harris tri-tune boats. Coming inside, you've got plenty of storage throughout this boat. You'll see the fit and finish, and the quality is great. Got a cooler back here. It's a very well-maintained boat, again, used here on freshwater Lake Norman. Going through the interior here, this one's in the SL layout, so you've got that L bench with the captain's chair for your driver. Got the elevated captain's platform as well. This boat's got the single Simrad screen with the analog gauges on the side, and you'll see it's sporting just 60 engine hours on that 250 horsepower V8. This boat's been freshly serviced. It's ready for plenty more memories out on the water. It's a very well kept example of a very desirable boat here on Lake Norman. It's available now for private showings. Give us a call if you have any questions.